Alright guys, I want to quickly show you guys on how you can boost your account. So boosting your account give you more access to earn more and to give you more access to mining time. So if you want to boost your account, this is how you can do it on this SW app. So let me click on this one, click on this guy, click on boost. So the boosting have different level. So we have from level 1 to level 5. So the level 1, what you have to do is that you have to buy 209 highs and you'll be given 25% of the SW tokens. And your session length is 24 hours, which means we can only mine for 24 hours. And this referral limit is 5 for level 2. So you will need to buy like 419 eyes, 24-hour section, and referral limit is 10. For level 3, 24 hours mining, 629 eyes, and 15 referral limit. So for level 4, 839 eyes, 48-hour session mining, and 20 referral limit. While level 5, 1049 eyes, 48-hour session mining, and they will not slash your coins. Maybe your people are active or not, they will not slash it if you choose this one. And once you can mine for 24 hours, it's 125% SW's tokens, and your referral limit is 25. So for me, this is what I will be using, because this ice that you send, it will be in Bunny address. So because they are trying to do what? They are trying to burn more ice so that they can raise the price of ice network. So that's the reason why they are doing this. So for me, I will be using this level 5 to set as an example. So if I click on continue, then they say I should copy this one. This is the make sure that any amount you get here is the exact thing that you will send. So do not overdo. So click on copy. So show the address. They said to confirm or upgrade, please ensure you send the exact amount of blah blah blah. If you are sending from an exchange, please make sure you include the withdrawal fee. Click on confirm. Then copy the address. So this is the address I'm sending the ICE to. I will now open my MetaMask app. Now this is my own ICE. So if you don't have ICE, you can buy from exchange. But if you don't know how to buy, you can just contact me so that I can get it for you. Depend on the quantity you want to buy. So I will get it for you. And once you are in your MetaMask app, so let me click on my own eyes. Then click on send. Click on send. Paste your address. The address I copied earlier. Click on next. Then paste the amount you want to send. Okay. They say 1040.7298. 1040.7248. 1000, okay, 7298, sorry. 72 7298. So 1040.7298. 1040.7298. So once you do that, then click on next. So that amount of the ice equal to $5.25. So I will be burning that. Click on next. So make sure if you want to send out, so you will need two things. You need ice and you also need BNB. So the ice is what you will send out, and the BNB is for gas fee. So at least if you buy like $5 ice or $6 ice and one or $0.5 BNB, it will be okay for you. So click on send. I will send that to it is okay. I think my one has been successfully sent. So I will now get back to that SW app. Then click on I have said that blah blah blah. So click on continue. BNB chain. They will ask for your transaction hash. Let me go and copy mine. So if I click on view on BSC, okay, this is my transaction hash. So I will now click on copy. Then let me see if it is correct. Click on copy. Okay. So I will now paste it in this app. So click on continue. So once it has been confirmed like that, so it has successfully confirmed, your account has been successfully upgraded, you can now start inviting more friends and increase your earning rate. So you can now click on done. So right now my account has been upgraded to level 5 and I don't have to worry about maybe they are slashing my coin or not. So I've already upgraded my own account. I can now earn even more than other people. So that's how to upgrade your own account too, for people that don't know how to. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with others as well so that they can learn one or more thing or two things or other. So see you in the next video. Bye.